Hello everybody, my name is Rohan. Today we're going to be reviewing the board game Carcassonne. Let's get straight into the video. Okay, so let's go ahead and open the game. Okay, now, so here's the front of it. This is the instruction manual, and here's some supplementary rules. Now here's the game board. Now, here's all of the tiles. Many of them. Yeah, and here we have some characters, I would say. And that's it for the inside. I believe this is called an abar. So yeah, that's all the things that are inside Carcassonne. Yeah. Now let's get straight into the review. So, in order to set up the game, we're first going to have 2 stacks of tiles, and you're going to have the starting tile. The starting tile you can obviously tell because of the black border. Now, if we go over here to this scoreboard, as you can see, this is where your meeples are. So, every time you score a point, which we'll talk to later, you can move amount of spaces. And then first person to get all the way around, reach here, wins the game. Okay, now let's get, now let's get straight into the teaching of how to play the game. So in order to start the game, we're going to have, as you start the game, we're going to have 7 meeples in your hand. So now, what you're going to have is you're going to have your starting tile, right? So on your turn, after you decide who goes first, you're going to draw a tile. So now if we look at this starting tile and this tile, what you can do is you can match it. So you have to match it. So you can do either this, this, but you can't do like this or this because this road is connected to this, to the village or the town, right? So it has to be a road. So see, if you draw this one, you can get a road. See, road connects to road, and you have to do, and this would be acceptable. Let's go ahead and talk about the meeples and the scoreboard. So, as you can see here, what I can do is I can place a meeple on either a road, a town, or a monastery. So, this would be a monastery, this is a road, and this is the town. What I can do is I can place a meeple on a road, and like, let's say you draw a tile, and you can end the road, like right there. Then, you, on your scoreboard, scored 3 points. So, if we go over here to the scoreboard, get the red, 1, 2, 3. And that's where I am. Now coming back here, if we place a tile on, a meeple on this, which is called a monastery, if you place it there, the amount of points you get is the amount of tiles that are surrounding on it. So right now, you would gain 2 points because here you have 1 and 2. So you would gain 2 points. So if you come back here to the scoreboard, you can land on 5. Coming back here, and now, let's just draw this. Perfect. So, let's say we end our town, this town, right here. And I place this meeple as and make it the knight of the town that protects it. Now it will gain me 4 points because each tile equals 2 points. So we can go back here and give you 1, 2. And the first person to go all the way around the board wins. Now, a few rules to mention. If another player, let's say another player here, places a meeple right here before you, you cannot place another meeple there. You must place it somewhere else. Let's say I place a meeple here, right? And then let's just say for now that it's like this, this. 3 seconds. Yeah, let's just say it's like this, right? Now, I know this isn't a good example, but let's just say it's like this and there's a tile here and here. Now, or let's just say here. So now there's a tile. I know it sounds odd, but now there's a tile. It's a very bad example, but here's a tile here, and let's pretend that there's no tile here, and there's like tiles surrounding it. So then, if you draw like a tile such as this, and you place it like right here, and this person already owns the river for this tile, and I draw this. I cannot place it here. I am not allowed to, because then both of us would be owning the river, and it wouldn't make sense. So that's some things about that. Now let's go ahead and put these back, except for the starting tile. Now again, I am only explaining the standard rules, not the supplementary rules. That will probably be in another video. So hope you guys enjoyed this part of the video, and see you next time. Alright guys, so I just finished explaining the game. So now I'm going to go ahead and review the game. So I will rate this game a 9.5 out of 10, which is going to be pretty high for me. So the reason why I rated this is because very fun, simple game, and it's also very competitive, which I like. They also have another set of rules that I may review in a different video. It's the supplementary rules. Yeah. And it's an easy, simple game. Yeah, that's all I have to say. So